So what do you all think? Nice and sunny that way, but look what happens when I flip a 180. That's a thundercloud right there. Ride or no ride? We've got thunder coming out of that cloud. I've heard it 3 times already. Let's live on the edge, why not? Oh yeah. On one side we got clear sky, look straight ahead, and to the right here you can see there's a big storm blowing over the east side mountains. Well, what do we do? Do we go to the west side and try to avoid it? This is a tough one because that looks like a really cool storm, although not one I want to be riding in. Awesome clouds. Let's head west and see what it looks like. We'll go right up here on Marcus Street. Well, I figure if that storm is headed, what, northeast, then it's coming right over this valley. That would be my guess. I guess we're gonna find out. Yeah, see, all clear. All clear out there. So I felt a drop or two. I don't think we're gonna beat this storm. Gonna have to head west or turn back. Get a better look. How's that? Yeah, you can see that sucker from here. In fact, we got the best view because it's not raining here, but we can watch all the carnage a few miles off in the distance. We'll park here for a moment. Here we are on the west side of Highway 93. This little road ends because there's river access right over here. That's the Bitterroot River. This is what we're up against here. And I got a feeling it's gonna hit just all at once. I can keep riding west, but then if I get too far, I'm gonna be stuck in the thick of it all the way back. Or I can head north where it's clear, but the same thing's gonna happen. It'll be 10 miles back in the pouring rain. Oh well, let's figure out what to do. Hey, look at that neat thing over there. What the heck is that? Anybody? All right, gonna beat the rain back. Get some work done instead. Postpone fun riding until later. Raindrops coming at me, I'm just hoping we get a good thunderbolt on video, which I rarely ever have luck with.